community, I am the real deal. I am not some fake person that thinks he knows what to do with crypto. I just want to make sure everybody understands that. I'm not even a crypto investor. I'm a digital marketer that knows how to invest in crypto.
Fucking damn.
So depending on how I run my live, you get information that is entrepreneurial, or you get information that is investment, or you get a combination of both. I am a different type of animal. Let's look at this next chart here, which is extremely important. The number one crypto exchange in the United States of America is Coinbase. Remember, I'm only speaking facts to you because anything that I say on this live, I want you to be able to go fact check it. The number one crypto exchange in the United States of America is Coinbase. Somebody said Bybit. No, not Bybit. It is Coinbase. I'm trying to tell you. So, see, you're already arguing with me, and this is not good for you. It is Coinbase. Okay? That's the number one United States exchange. It is backed by a bunch of venture capitalists. Circle, which is USDC, like I'm telling you, a bunch of venture capitalists, a bunch of angel investors, okay? And you totally forget that Coinbase is also a publicly traded company. That means you can buy coin on the stock market. That's the ticker coin. It's a stock. That means S1s and S2s and all that. They've already filed for this. This is literally being regulated by the SEC, Security and Exchange Commission. Well, why is that important? Why am I explaining to you that? Because there's a lot of people that have crypto in the United States of America. Last time I checked, because the political figures out here are using them, somewhere around about 50 million. Is this true? Yes or no? I keep hearing this from Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. Is it around about 50 million people in the United States that have crypto? Is this true? Yes. It's true. Okay, so wait for it. I also know that Coinbase has millions of people who have Coinbase wallets. Coinbase exchange profiles and usernames and wallets. Millions of them. Deca. Okay? Deca. Multiple. Plural. Deca millions. You understand what I'm saying? Somebody say, yeah, I'm one. But why am I sharing this information with you? Because, check this out. Last time we was looking at this, right? Pay attention. Look at the date. July of this year. Coinbase stock was falling down. Look, it fell down here. This was support. Lost support, got resisted, fell. Rally back up, resistance, crashed. So, from July of 2024, Coinbase stock was falling down. It literally means people was not buying, selling, and trading crypto as much as you would have wanted them. Because remember, and for Coinbase to make money, they have to make money from fees. The more people buy, sell, and trade crypto on the exchange, the more fees get incurred, right? They take in more fees, which means the stock is going to be what? Very bullish. It's going to go up. They're making money. When companies make money, don't people like to buy the stock because they like making money? Ooh, let me buy some of that stock. That shit is going to go up. So if people knew, people not even interested in crypto right now. They're not even, man, the stock was falling down. People were selling their Coinbase stock because it was like, they're not going to make any money. People are not interested in crypto, right? Well, here's the beautiful thing about this. That's 3 resisted touches. You broke out of the trend line. Now you have Coinbase going up. This is a high. This is a higher high. This is a higher high. This is a low. This is a higher low. This is a higher low. Coinbase stock all of a sudden is starting to get extremely bullish. Do you think that's important? This is something that has been falling since July of this year, and all of a sudden it's starting to become very bullish. Do you think it's important that that is happening? Amongst all the other shit that I have said tonight, do you think that is another clue that you shouldn't be bearish? People are starting to buy Coinbase stock, probably because they know what? People are going to be buying, selling, and trading crypto on the largest exchange in the United States of America. So I might as well go ahead and buy some of that stock so I can make some of that money. Do you think I'm making this up, or does it sound like something that's plausible? I'm showing you the whole picture. Somebody said I was Bob Ross and painting this beautiful picture for you. This picture is, look how beautiful it is. You got the trees in the background, and you got the trees, and we're just gonna put a little bird right here, little bird, just a little bird. You know what? Let's put a couple birds. I'm putting a flock of birds in here now. Look at this. Just put a flock of birds. Flock of birds. Come on, man. Talk to me.
Light brown just mixed together. A little bit of the highlight color.
This is me.
Now let's
talk to y'all about crypto.
Van Dyke brown with a touch of alizarin crimson in it.
The touch of alizarin crimson in it. Look at that.
Put some shadows right in here.
Let's put some shadows right in
Just a
here.
tiny bit of crimson, so when we highlight the shadow color, it'll sparkle.
Yeah. This is me talking to y'all about crypto.
Right over in here.
Right over in here. Just right there.
Just very basic, quiet little mountains are way back in the background.
Quiet little mountains in the background.
Very basic, quiet little mountains are way back in the background.
Quiet little mountains in the background.
Put a highlight over here.
This is just quiet little mountains here in the background. Just quiet. Yo, man, R.I.P. Bob, man. What? I used to watch that dude. I used to eat popcorn and watch Bob. Straight up. Straight entertain. Two people I used to watch. Bob, I'm serious. Y'all can laugh if you want to. I used to eat popcorn and watch Bob. You know who else I used to watch? The Louisiana dude. You know what I'm saying? You get a little pinch of that salt right there. Pinch of that salt there. Yeah, oh, that pinch of that salt. Oh, that good, that salt. I don't know what his name was. I turn that TV on and eat that popcorn and just watch how he cook. Oh, yeah. Somebody said Justin Wilson. Yeah, that's his name? Justin? I used to just a little pinch of it. You get a little pinch of that salt, there. Oh, that good, eh? Yo, these dudes they do their thing. Pure entertainment, but they are masters at what they do. I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm explaining to y'all what's going on in crypto right now. Pinching these little right there with it, that Coinbase right there going up, there. Going up there. Yo, do y'all even understand what's happening right now? I'm entertaining you a little bit, but giving you information, it's real utilitarian value. When you leave this live, you might have a smile on your face. I don't know. You might be straight up Grim Reaper and just you don't like to smile at all. But you will leave this live with information that you can go and use to get absolutely financially free. Absolutely. Well, boy, boy, stop doing that because my Falcon fans gonna be like, bruh, Nolans, bruh. You going in 0-1 up like that? I gotta chill out. My Falcon fans gonna be like, no, bro. We can't be. Stop it. Knock that off, bro. Hold it. Hey, let's keep it going. So, listen. Along with this Coinbase stock, right? Along with this Coinbase stock, not only is it going up, but hey, pay attention to what I'm about to say to you. This might be a really, really good time if for those of you who like to diversify. Somebody like, who that? Somebody, we that? Y'all wildin'. We showed y'all who that was. Yeah. Y'all came down here. You know what it is. But listen, do you think that it might be a good opportunity for you to grab some Coinbase stock? Somebody said, OG, you a real one. I'm serious. If you're on Coinbase, the exchange, right? You shouldn't be, especially if you read my crypto ebook. You shouldn't be on the exchange. But if you are on the Coinbase exchange and you have your two-factor authentication set up, look how I'm talking to you. Listen how I'm talking to you now. You have your 2FA set up. If you're on the exchange, you try to protect what's on the exchange. Not smart, but at least you got a 2FA set up. Do you think it's important for you to buy some Coinbase stock? See, what's going to happen here is majority of you are going to make a lot of money. Listen to my choice of words. I didn't say some of you. Listen to my choice of words. Majority of you are going to make a shitload of money in this crypto market. You know what that means? It means more fees. If you are holding your crypto on Coinbase Exchange, right? You make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. There's going to be some fees. Because you're going to be wanting to cash out your crypto, selling your crypto and take your crypto and putting back into your bank account. There's going to be some fees. Some of y'all ain't going to like those fees. Oh, let me continue to go. Let me continue forward. Some of y'all holding your crypto in a crypto Coinbase wallet. Coinbase wallet. That's the DeFi wallet. There's Coinbase the exchange that has their fees. Then there's Coinbase the DeFi wallet that has fees. Mostly Ethereum, unless you know how to work the base chain. Most of y'all don't know how to work the base chain. So you're going to be incurring Ethereum fees. Well, how do you offset those fees? Could it possibly be Coinbase stock? Listen, if Coinbase the exchange is going to be incurring a bunch of fees from millions and millions and millions of people, the stock is going to go up. Do you think it's a good idea for you to have some of the stock that you're actually going to be paying fees to? Aren't you actually hedging? Is that probably a smart thing to do? Buy some Coinbase stock so you don't even care what the fees are. The company is making you rich. The more fees they incur, the higher the stock goes. Right? I'm just throwing this out here for anybody that wants to be balanced and diversified in other ways. It probably would be smart to buy Coinbase. Somebody mentioned it down there, and so I'm going to acknowledge them. I'm going to acknowledge. I see a lot of those. I see a lot of the comments down there. Somebody left it down here, so I'm going to acknowledge them. Somebody down there said also MicroStrategy, which, for those of you who've been following me, remember we own Coinbase, we own MicroStrategy, we own all of that stuff. Qualcomm, and we own all that stuff. Remember those? Let's go and look at MicroStrategy's stock. Look at that. Wow. Can you see that? Wow. Look at that. Why is MicroStrategy stock going up? What's going on there? Wow. Yeah. Do you think it's a good idea to own some of this? From here to here, is 100% for the most part. That ain't almost 100%. MicroStrategy has done 100%. How long did it take to do that? I'm wondering. From this date range, from this candle to this candle right here, in the last 40 days, let's just call it a month. Here's your top 100 cryptos in the last 30 days. They've done incredible. MicroStrategy has also done incredible. It has done almost 100%. Woo! Somebody say balance and diversification. Balance and diversification. Woo! Boy, Ric Flair, you get a Ric Flair woo on that. Woo! That's 100. Wait, what? I know. Everybody was calling Michael Saylor crazy for buying Bitcoin, and Michael Saylor is crazy, and blah, 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 blah. Do you know what MicroStrategy has done since January of this year? Don't worry, I'm not going to hold you. I'm going to absolutely show you. From January of this year, see right here, from January of this year, MicroStrategy has been up 425%. Damn. Currently, as it sits right now, it's still up 350%. MicroStrategy has been as high as 400% since January of this year.
Okay, I'm getting ready to go back in my room.
Ric Flair, come. Woo! Why is MicroStrategy going up? Because MicroStrategy owns an insane amount of Bitcoin. Like an insane amount. Hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin. Like at least almost 200,000. It's up there. They up there. Along with BlackRock and, let me show you. Like BlackRock owns, how much Bitcoin does BlackRock own right now? Let me refresh this. BlackRock is currently holding 365,000 Bitcoin. I'm not even making this up. Grayscale is holding 200,000, and Fidelity also is holding 200,000. BlackRock, look, these are Bitcoin, okay? BlackRock 365,000, Grayscale over 200,000, Fidelity over 200,000, 21 shares, which is ARK Invest 50,000, Bitwise, great. You understand? These boys have a lot of crypto, a lot of shares, which is ARK Invest 50,000, Bitwise, great. You understand? These boys have a lot of crypto, a lot of Bitcoin. MicroStrategy Bitcoin holdings. Amount. How much amount? What's the amount? 252,000. MicroStrategy holds 252,000 Bitcoin. Look, it's right here. Somebody left it down there too, and they're right. But they're holding 252,000 Bitcoins, y'all. This is a publicly traded company that you can buy stock in. Well, hey. For those, listen, I'm just going to throw this out here. I'm going to throw this out here for those of you who are paying attention right now. You listening? The next time someone tells you that Bitcoin is going to zero or that it is fake internet money, you owe it to yourself to not even respond to them. They're not even worth your breath. It's not even worth it. Don't put your hands on them or nothing. Just look at them. Just look at them. Don't even respond. Don't put your hands on them or nothing. Just look at them. And they're gonna be like, "What? Because you already just don't even say nothing. about your business. BlackRock manages almost $10 trillion in assets. Go look it up. Go to Google and type in BlackRock AUM, stands for Assets Under Management. They manage almost $10 trillion in assets. They are the largest asset manager in the world. The largest asset manager in the world, managing almost $10 trillion, is holding 365,000 Bitcoin. Do you think they're smarter than the person telling you it's going to zero? I'm just asking. I'm asking you a real question. Do you think BlackRock is smarter than the person in your family telling you that this is magic internet money and it's going to zero? Do you think that they're smarter than them? Do you think that the money of the people that they're managing are smarter than the people in your circle telling you that shit? $10 trillion is a lot of money. Do you think the people that gave them their money to manage, do you think they're smarter than the people that's telling you that? They are. They're very much so smarter than these people. It's not even worth your time, is what I'm trying to tell you. Also on that list is Grayscale, Fidelity, ARK Invest, Bitwise, VanEck, Investco. Like, these people are smarter than the people in your circle. They have way more money than them. If the people in your circle are telling you that this is magic internet money and Bitcoin is going to zero, what is their wealth? What is their net worth? I'm not talking about the little car that they're driving or the house they live in. That shit is not. I'm talking about their net worth. Is it over $1 million net? I'm not talking about accumulated wealth. I don't want to hear nothing about, well, my house got this amount of equity, and I want to hear that shit. I'm talking about actual, real wealth. $1 million. Do they have that? If they don't even have $1 million of actual real wealth, not accumulated, don't even listen to them. It's a waste of your time, is what I'm trying to tell you. These people are way smarter than them. I've actually done my homework and my research. Do you actually think that I'm going to put my money into something that I think is magic internet money that's going to go away, the poof, gone? You think I'm going to do that? You think these people are going to do that? No. No. I had to say that because somebody needed to hear that. You fussing with your mama and your daddy about crypto and blockchain. You trying to explain to your little brother or sister, or your auntie, your uncles how blockchain works. Stop. You're wasting your time. You are wasting your time. That's why communities like this one are important. You can't afford. I'm married. I got a whole wife. I don't even talk to my wife about crypto. She don't understand it. I have 500,000 followers on this TikTok channel right now. My official TikTok account has 1.3 million followers. My wife don't understand affiliate marketing, digital marketing, or crypto. She has the concept. She don't. And sitting down to talk to her about it for 10 minutes, what? No. I'm not talking to my wife about crypto for even 10 minutes. Stop it. So if I'm telling you this, I'm letting you know you don't need to be sharing your dream and your goals with people who aren't aligned with you. Just let them reap the rewards. You share other things with them. There's more intimate conversations and other stuff that you share with them. But you can't share your dreams and goals with everybody, is what I'm trying to say. People who don't get it, you don't have time to be sitting there for 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes trying to explain it to them, trying to convince them that you know what you're talking about, that's not for them. Somebody need to hear this. Somebody need to hear this. Man, my wife don't even support me, man. My husband is not even, Calvin, if you don't even know that, he's just not even supporting me. My kids ain't supporting me. Welcome to the community. Thousands of people here help you and support you here. bunch of people on Twitter that you can find. Some other Discords and Telegrams of some people on YouTube. Now, effectively, I don't have a Discord or a Telegram, just in case you want to know. I don't have that. Those are fake people trying to act like they're me. I don't have no Telegram, I don't have no Discord, I don't have none of that shit. I go live on TikTok. But I'm trying to tell you, you find your tribe. You find your community. You find the people that are going to support your dreams, goals, and your family can get in the way sometimes, man. For real. Family can get in the way. I don't allow family to get in the way of what I'm doing. We have different boxes that we no. And I love my family dearly, but it's different. Let's go here, no, but I keep certain stuff in the boxes over here. No, you get yourself in trouble. And it becomes very frustrating. You get yourself in trouble, and it becomes very, very, you lose your dreams because you let people rob you of them. The people that's closest to you, man, they come, boy. Still kill and destroy sometimes. I'm sorry, I gotta say this. I'm just gonna touch this. A lot of people are thinking they're afraid of Satan. They actually believe that, that he's going to show up at your doorstep and straight have horns out and stuff like that and breathe and smoke and shit. No. Just like God uses individual men and women to come into your life to bless you, Satan does the same thing. He comes around to steal, kill, and destroy, but he don't show up himself. He show up in the form of sometimes a mama or a daddy or a kid or a cousin or auntie or uncle. Just saying. It works both ways. Blessings come through men and also steal, kill, and destroy. That also comes through men. Just make sure you're aware of that. I'm just making sure you're aware of that. You need to protect your baby. If this is your baby, you need to protect that. You can't be sharing it with everybody. I'm just letting you know. All right, I said I was only going to touch that just a little bit, but somebody needed to hear that. Somebody on here needed to hear that. I don't know who. I have no idea who needed to hear it, but somebody. All right. Let's look at my charts. For those of you who have been following me for some time, there's 5 charts that I've been following and tracking and showing, coaching, consulting with you guys live. Have these charts ever lied to us? Somebody said, "Don't get banned." No, I'm not going to get banned. I'm just going to turn around and just quickly show them. I'm not going to go deep, because when you start going deep and doing all of that, that's when the algorithm goes crazy. These charts have never lied to us. So let's pull them up. And let's look at them, because some people have never seen these charts and they have no idea what we're talking about. For those of you who are new to the live right now, trust me, the 5 things that I'm about to show you have never lied. And you're about to see, for those of you who've been following me for some time, and you've been with me for a couple months here, you're about to see just how these charts have started developing to a way you're like, oh my gosh. Look, pay attention. Let's open them up. This is from my daughter. She was like, "Dad, let me get you a stream deck so that you can actually just pull stuff up," because I was actually going here and trying to do it. She said, "No, just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see how they pulled up right there? Just boom, and they just pull them up right up the back. Here's number 1. Here's the first one. We're not even going to play with it. Somebody say, "God damn." For those of you who've been following me, remember the moving average, the 50 and the 200? Remember down here, we was getting supported at the 50 down here, and we were trying to break the 200. Look at that. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, not only have we broken the 50, but we have smashed through the 200. For those of you who are talking about you are bearish, I just got to say it to you again. It's not very smart. Bitcoin has flew through the 200 moving average. Look at the rockets for the people that's been following me, that's been looking at that chart. Sarah, look at that chart. Bitcoin has smashed through the 200 moving average on the daily. that is extremely bullish. Oh my gosh. I can... For the people that's talking about they bearish, that's ridiculous. That's insane. What are they doing? Nope. Nope, that makes no sense. That makes no sense. Nah. Let me show you what else is dope. Y'all ready? Because these charts allow me to show out a little bit. And if I'm showing out, it allows you to show out a little bit. Hey, as a community, we're about to show out a little bit. Watch this. What was the number yesterday? The short-term support. Y'all remember that? Not the short-term resistance, not that number. Do y'all remember the short-term support? For those of you who don't know. Somebody said, no, 66,900. That was short-term resistance. Here was the support line that I gave you yesterday. Remember this? And I said you could round up or down. This one. Remember we set an alert. We said, hey, we get rejected here. The support will be this number right here. Remember that? Somebody said, yep, I remember, Calvin. There it is right there. See it? I still got it. You see it? Watch this. We broke through the 200 moving average. Look right here. This is my support. See that short-term support? Look at that. You see it right there? Why do you think I put it right? Look, that's the 200 moving average. Why do you think I put that there? Remember, I'm a pro. I'm not an amateur. That was our resistance right there, the short-term resistance that we broke through. And if we would have got rejected here, that was the support, the 200 moving average on the daily. Come on, man. Come on. Rejected here, that was the support, the 200 moving average on the daily. Come on, man. Come on. Us showing out together. I keep telling people, this is what we do. We don't have time to be out here losing. Come on, man. Calvin, he put the resistance right at the 200. We showing out together. That's the first chart. That's the first chart. All right. Cool. Let's keep it going. Somebody like, yo, that's tight. That's some tight shit. That's tight shit. We showing out together. We are showing absolutely out. For the person that are you long, yes, you're late to the live. I'm very much so long. I have 40 positions open, long positions, and I'm up considerably. I'll show you those in a minute. So this is the first chart. You already know we're past the 200. No problem there, Cal. Keep it moving. Oh my gosh. For those of you who are new to the live, you've never seen this before. This is called my Bitcoin EMA ribbons. Here's what you need to understand. Look, I'm all the way back here in October 2023. We can do this all the way back to 2021, 2018. If I give you a thumbs up on this, look at this. Look at the little, look at this. This was October of last year. Look at the Halloween joint. See it? I gave a thumbs up. Look what happened after that. Boom. Right? Small little thumbs down right here for this, and then a thumbs up. Boom. Somebody say, oh my God. If I give you a thumbs up on this, it's because the yellow ribbon has crossed the blue ribbon, you're going up. If I ever give you a thumbs down, it's because the yellow ribbon is falling under the blue ribbon, you will be crashing down. Hey, let me help you out. For those of you who are paying attention, that is another jack-o'-lantern, and I gave you a thumbs up here in September. We are now rolling into October. This yellow ribbon is completely over the blue ribbon. Bitcoin is starting to go rockets on you. Hey, you sure you want to be bearish? Is all I'm This yellow ribbon is completely over the blue ribbon. Bitcoin is starting to go rockets on you. Hey, you sure you want to be bearish? Is all I'm at. I gave you thumbs up in September. Hey, this thing is going to go up. For anybody that was doubting that and talking about $40,000 Bitcoin and where you at? Where are you? I gave a thumbs up on that chart. This chart has never lied to me in a multitude of years. Just keep going. That's the second chart. That's the second. That's the second chart. Okay, here's the third chart. Oh my gosh, his Gaussian channel. If you don't know how my Gaussian channel works, it's a confirmation behind my EMA ribbons. Let me help you out. Look, there's October of 2023. This channel ever flips green on you and Bitcoin is above it when it flips green, you are going to go absolutely bullish. Green above it, bullish. If it ever flips red on you and Bitcoin is below it, you will go crashing down, especially if you are under the moving average in the middle of that channel. If you get above the moving average, you have to find support. Otherwise, you will come crashing back down. Somebody say, yes, that is absolutely true. Hey, pay attention. You tell, what color is this channel? And when it flipped green, was Bitcoin below it or under it? Oh, I can tell you, it was above it. There's the channel flipping green. Wait, look at the date back here, October the 1st. It flips green, Bitcoin is above it. You have been bullish ever since. When it came crashing down, you found support on the moving average. Support, 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 support. We are bullish. And anybody expecting a $40,000 or $50,000 Bitcoin is smoking that good stuff. You're not going there. This is bullish. I keep telling you this. We showing out. We're showing out together. This is for all the bears. You are wrong. I keep telling you that you are wrong. You keep arguing with this, and I don't understand why. You are literally losing an insane amount of money. We are not wrong. These charts have not lied to me in years. Let's keep it going. The charts are the charts. The charts are the charts. I actually had somebody the other day. It's quite funny. I had somebody the other day. They left a comment. They was like, "How's your EMA ribbons?" Right? You tell me. Because when Bitcoin came falling down here, they was asking me, "How's the EMA ribbons?" When Bitcoin came down here around $60,000, the ribbons are fine. Even though Bitcoin came crashing down, this yellow ribbon never even got close to crossing this blue ribbon, which tells me ain't no way I'm selling out of my positions. This is you getting caught offside. You sold all of your crypto right here. Look at the ribbon. The yellow ribbon is still above the blue ribbon. Why would you sell your crypto? When you came up right here and you came in, you crashed down again to 60,000. The yellow ribbon is still completely over the blue ribbon. This has got you way off size. Look at where you are. I don't get off sides right here. If this ribbon doesn't come down here to cross, I'm not getting out. You have to do this, my boy. It needs to do this for me to get out. That's when you get all of this shit. Okay? Even when you come flying up here like this yellow ribbon never crossed back over this blue ribbon. Boom, you gave all of those gains back. I don't get caught off sides. This has never lied to me once. Neither has this. Somebody say, "Oh my gosh." That was the third chart. That's the third chart. Let's look at the fourth chart. I'm giving you 5 charts that's telling you that we're bullish. Arguing with these charts is insane. 5 charts that shows you that we're bullish, you got to be crazy to go bearish. That's ridiculous. Here's the fourth one. Here's the fourth chart. Oh my gosh. Somebody say no. Here's Bitcoin on the monthly chart. Understand this is a trend line. Each one of these candles represents a month. That's March, that's April, that's May, June. You get the idea. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For everybody that was talking about bearish, this was your bearish months. Look, resistance, 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 resistance. This was 7 months of resistance right here. To make it even better for you, hey, pay attention. The 7 months, that's Bitcoin going down like this. Pay attention. This channel is Bitcoin going down for 7 months. That is also depicted by me showing you this. 7 months of getting resistance. But look at where you are right now. You're talking about Bitcoin being bearish when you have literally a candle. Somebody say the October candle has broke out of the trend. Resistance, resistance, resistance. For 7 months, you literally have broken out of this trend, and this monthly candle is rocketing up. And you talking about being bearish. Are you crazy? Look at your relative strength index on the freaking monthly chart. The RSI has also broken past this trend line. Resistance, resistance, resistance. What did I tell you about 3 touches, community? 1, 2, 3. You have broken out of this trend. The RSI is over the moving average, and it has broken this trend. You have broken the trend here to the upside, rockets, and you have broken this trend, rockets to the... What makes you think it's not bullish? Help me out. To the upside, rockets, and you have broken this trend, rockets to the... What makes you think it's not bullish? Help me out. Absolutely not. That's 4 charts. That's 4. Is there a 5th one? Of course it is. Of course it is. But wait, time out. I'm not done. I got to remind people. I kept telling people $60,000 is the support number. $60,000 is the number. $60,000 is the number. $60,000 is the number. People kept on telling me, no, 40,000, 50,000. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Bitcoin going to zero. And I was like, 60,000 is the number. 60,000 is the number. 60,000 is the number. I even did a video right here. Look, 60,000 is the number. Right? 54,000 people watched this video. Look, I knew you. This was at the beginning of the month, October the 3rd. October the 3rd. Hey, $60,000 is the number. You want to know why? Look at this 5th chart right here. I mean, let's look at this 4th chart before we look at the 5th one. These are monthly candles. Facts. Right? So look at this green line. What does that number say? 60,000. Pay attention to what I'm about to show you. In the last bull cycle, which was way back here in 2021, 60,000 was resistance, 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 resistance. This is pretty much resistance as well. 60,000, look, that right there, that's resistance. This was the bull market of 2021. Somebody say, oh Lord, he is right. Well, if something is resistance here, once you slide down in the bear market, once you start pushing back up, look, what was once resistance, boom, you break through resistance, guess what it flips to? Support, 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 support. Oh my Lord. You're breaking a channel and $60,000 is support now. It has been showing you this shit for the last 8 months, and people keep telling me $40,000 Bitcoin. What are they smoking? These people are not good. They're not good at charting. They're not good at Bitcoin. They're not good at crypto. I'm just keeping it real. 8 months. Eight months of support. And now you get the 8th month, that means October, and it is now, not only is it supported at 60,000, but it has broken through the trend line of a 7-month resistance trend line. It has broken through that. And for some reason you think it's going to reverse and go back, stop it. I got to teach you. I got to teach you. I got to teach you. This is why people don't make money. This is because they don't know how to do this. But I'm teaching you, I'm showing you this stuff for free. It's crazy. Is it anybody that understand what I'm showing you? Does it sound like this is like, yo, damn. This is not 2 weeks worth of data. This is not 2 months worth of data. This is 8 months, 7.5 months worth of data. You're going up against 7.5 months of data. That's crazy. In addition to that, wait for it. Bitcoin monthly returns by percentage. We have been tracking Bitcoin monthly returns for 12 years. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 years worth of data. We know what Bitcoin monthly returns are for every single month for the last 12 years. Newsflash, if you look in the month of October, do you see anything that is consistent with the month of October? You can say it out loud if you want to. Do you think that Bitcoin is bullish or bearish in the 12 years of data for October? Hey, by the way, this is the October that we're in right now. Look at it. Is it yellow? Is it green or is it red? Okay. Do you think this is going up and is going to be even greener? Do you think these numbers will go up or do you think they're going to be red? We have 12 years worth of data here that you're going against. So let me recap it for you before I show you the fifth chart. Not only do I give you short-term information, 7.5 months worth of data, I'm now giving you 12 years worth of data. You sure you want to be bearish right now? I'm trying to tell you. Somebody see? See? Now, for those people, you got some people out here saying, that's October, Rocktober. Yeah, that's the next chart. That's the next chart. This is chart number 5. Hold on. Let me flip my camera. That's the next chart. That's the next chart. This is chart number 5. Hold on. Let me flip my camera. Right here that's reaching out to you is a fake me. Let me block them. Look who I'm blocking right now, Richard. Don't go talking to these fake accounts. Come in here, try to pretend like they're me to steal your crypto. Try to act like they're me and gain your trust, whatever. I don't have telegrams and discords, and I don't reach out to you and DM you. I'm too busy trying to teach you for free. I'm not asking anything of you. I'm giving you free game right now. So if I'm turning my camera around and showing you, how am I texting you at the same time? Use your common sense here. These people are evil people. Okay, let's continue. Fifth chart. Y'all got me. Okay, let's flip the camera around. Here's the fifth chart. As a community, because I said we're showing out together, as a community, we named this candle. We call it Rocktober candle, and some of y'all call it the Uptober candlestick. We got two camps on this in our community: the Rocktober candle people and the Uptober candlestick people. Either way, I drew this big fat green rectangle because I was telling people we are going to go up considerably. Listen, if you don't know what you're looking at here, those are called Heikin Ashi candles. Don't worry, I got you. But I want to show you something in conjunction to that. With that, I want to show you something. Those are called Heikin Ashi candles. See, Heikin Ashi candlesticks, they're really dope. They smooth out the price action. Let me show it to you. Let me type in Heikin Ashi and show you what I'm talking about. In case you've never seen this before, if you don't know how to chart or anything like that. But it's okay. You don't have to know how to chart. You got me. So let's flip the camera around. Look, Heikin Ashi is a Japanese trading indicator and financial chart that means average bar. Heikin Ashi charts resemble candlestick charts, but have a smoother appearance as they track a range of price movements. That means they don't care about this. See this right here? Let me show you this. These are regular candlesticks. See how this is tracking price? This tracks price, is very precise. This, the Heikin Ashi candle, they track price movements. Let me give you an idea. See if I click right here, candlesticks, look. See how these look? All chop. This is tracking price. This is tracking price action. It only cares, is the price action going down or is the price action going up? Hey, newsflash. This is a green candle saying price action is going up. And to show you how crazy this is, on October the 3rd, I screenshotted this. Bitcoin was at $61,000. I drew this rectangle out. We named this candle, and I said it needs to be a large rectangle because this thing is going to be fat gains going up this way. We were sitting at $61,000, $61,145 when I screenshotted this. Look at where we're sitting at right now. And people want to keep arguing with me about a $40,000 Bitcoin. You better wake up. You are missing crazy money. This is going to continue to scream up on you. These are only facts. These are receipts that I got to show people. This is how it works. The 5 charts that I just showed you. 5. And every last one of them scream at you. This is very bullish. If something changes, guess what? Newsflash. I'll come on this live and I'll tell you, hey, whoa, things are that's not the case. You see what I'm explaining to you? Very bullish. Very bullish. It's nuts. This is nuts. Now I'm getting ready to rock y'all. Now, the trend is your friend until it is not. So if the trend is going up, you have to go with that. Going against the trend is for people that really know what the hell they're doing. They're scalping the market. When you have a little bit of a reprieve or something, these are the people that know how to scalp the market and short the market in between the ups. These people are very talented. They're way more talented than the average individual that is on this live. People that know how to short the market in this shit, these people are talented. They're looking for small little breaks in between all of this bullishness to capitalize on. That takes a lot of skill, is what I'm trying to tell you. I'm not even shorting the market, and I got mad skill at the deck scene in the national anthem. Okay? Talent. Right? Extremely talented. That's all I'm saying. And I'm not saying that some of y'all is not, but I'm just making sure if that's you, I'm giving you your props. You are talented. You are a talented individual. I'm giving you props. Don't go messing around trying to short this.
I had text what's her name? Nidra, and I told her I wanted
Somebody said this man baking butter biscuits with a hint of honey. With some honey in it. They were trying to type so fast the I they tapped to hit the I and the O, with the I and the O is next to each other. But I got what you were saying. This man is baking butter.
I had
To share with you.
had the stuff ready on.
You are wrong.
She was gonna bring it on Sunday, but she had.
Let me get some more water here.
She had to get her tires fixed or something like that.
Hold on. A nice little water dispenser right outside my office.
But she couldn't. She had to take that either. I told her I wasn't in the
Feel this cup up. Yeah, boy. Woo. Cold water, crispy. Some of y'all thought I was drinking yak and Hennessy. Some of y'all say he got that solo cup, you know what I'm saying? Own it. Mom.
Yeah, some friend of hers wanted to
See, it's water. See, it's water. It's water. Y'all saw it? See it? I want to make sure you really see it. Yeah, see it again. It's water. It's water. Y'all saw it? See it? I want to make sure you really see it. Yeah, see it again. It's water. On. Stay hydrated up in here. Somebody said, Maddie said, now you are extremely talented. I accept that. I accept that, Maddie. I do. Sometimes you gotta know when to accept a compliment. Thanks for saying that, Maddie. Appreciate it. Thank you a lot. Appreciate that. All right. Man, I got something else special to share with you. Before I do that, let me ask you, how